Hi, I'm Runa. I went to Cantel School. I'm in first year of college and I'm doing biology, chemistry and maths. I've always just loved biology. Even at secondary school, it was just my subject. I was great at it and I thought, I'll just do it in Barton because even if I changed my mind about medicine, biology is a great course, so I could do so much with it. And yeah, it was fantastic. Because of COVID, we didn't have like taster days in college, but we had like online sessions, and that gave me a real insight into what kind of subjects I'd be learning. That's pretty cool. So I did triple science, so there was more content for biology than regular combined. And from then to now, I think there's a lot more content, I won't lie about that, but it's more like advanced knowledge of what I already knew. So like, you look at photosynthesis at GCSE level, but here we look at the fact that there are now 2 stages to photosynthesis, and it just expands on what you've already known. So the content, there's more content, but it's great because it's just building knowledge of what you previously knew. It's not like anything is spanking new. Yeah. My favourite thing that I've learned in biology so far is learning about the heart. I think I was just in awe. You learn it at GCSE and it's like, okay, cool, our heart does that. But then learning about the different valves and the veins and how they connect to like your kidneys or your liver, that just like, I remember going home going to my mum like, our body is doing so much in one go. Like within like a second, our heart does so much and pumps blood this way and that way. And I thought it was great. And then we did like a dissection of a sheep's heart and we got to label the veins and the arteries that we could see. And that was bringing what we had learnt on paper into practice, and that was one of the best things I've learned so far. I would say prepare yourself and do the pre-work Barton said. I did the pre-work, so when it came to my first lesson, I was like, oh my gosh, I actually know this. And yeah, prepare yourself because there's a lot of content, but there's also, with coming to college, a lot of independent study. And I would say use those wisely, use that to really consolidate your learning. The Barton Peveril biology website is great, so look at that beforehand. But definitely, like, always do your pre-work. It actually really helps. And with my teacher, she sets us pre-work, so I can never forget to do it. I would say biology it's a bundle of knowledge. And if you are like me, very annoyingly love to question the ways of life and just always feeling the need to learn more, biology is definitely a subject because you go way beyond learning about humans. We learn, like, I now know how an insect breathes. So now when I see a fly, I'm like, I know how you respire. That's pretty cool. And you learn about plants and fish, and at the time it'll be like, why am I learning about how a plant respires? Like but it's really cool, and that's why I would say if you really are geeky or knowledgey like I am and always asking questions, biology is a great place. Because even if they don't have definite answers now, teachers can always tell you about several researchers that are going on to find answers. So